Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Vegan Journey 007. Today we're making some fried mushrooms. So here I have 1 case of mushrooms, a half a cup of ground flax seeds, 2 cups of unbleached all-purpose flour. I also have some mustard. We're going to use 1/4 cup of mustard. And hot sauce, we're going to actually use a half a cup. For frying, we will be using vegetable oil, or you can use any oil of your choice. For seasonings, we have some garlic powder, some onion powder, some paprika, some chili powder, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, some adobo, and last, some sea salt. Here's all the ingredients you guys need. Let's get into the video. To my measuring cup, I'm adding 1 cup of water, and I'm going to add it to our ground flax seeds. I'm going to also add 1 more cup. We're going to give it a good stir because we don't want any clumps in our ground flaxseed mixture. Next, I'm going to add the mustard and the hot sauce. Give it a good stir once again and let it sit for 3 minutes. Next, we're going to wash our mushrooms very thoroughly. Using a paper towel, we're going to wipe off any excess dirt. We're also going to clean out the inside. We're going to clean out the inside of the mushroom and remove the stems. Once that is done, we're going to slice our mushrooms. You guys can slice it how big and how small you like. Next, we're going to season our unbleached all-purpose flour. Guys, please be sure to season very well. And the reason you want to make sure that you're seasoning your flour very well because once you fry it, no one wants to taste a bland fried anything. So we're looking for fried and flavorful food. Be sure to give it a good stir. To our ground flaxseed mixture, we're going to drop in our sliced mushrooms. And then transfer them to our dry ingredients. Fun fact is that many don't know that you can use ground flax seeds as a replacer for eggs. So when frying and baking, you don't necessarily have to use eggs unless you want to. So here's a good alternative using ground flax seeds. Now that our oil is hot, we're going to add them to the pan. And as you guys can see, I'm using an old school cast iron pan, which is great for frying anything. Okay, so now that our mushrooms are frying, you can see that they're turning golden brown, which is how we want it to be. And they're starting to float. So it's almost time to take these bad boys out. And voila, here you have some delicious, seasoned, flavorful fried mushrooms. Okay, so I added the mushrooms to a salad, placed it on top of a salad, and added some creamy Italian dressing on top. Guys, this dish looks amazing. It smells good. Wish you could smell it. And it's going to taste so good. Please be sure to make this recipe at home, like, comment, and subscribe. Until our next journey, thanks for watching.